Guys, this is probably the most scariest moment of my life right now. I have the compost in the back, but it is way too much for my truck. My carrying capacity is about, I think it's up to like 1,900, and this is like 2,500 pounds. So, currently flipping out on the way home. I really hope I make it home safely. So the sale at Home Depot was, if you buy 55 bags, they're 50-pound bags each. If you buy 55 bags, you get a bulk price instead of the regular price. So I was like, okay, I'll do that. And plus I needed about 50 bags. I really wish I filmed them putting it into the truck. I don't even know if I said that right. I really wish I filmed them putting the compost into the truck, because that's when my heart sank. Seeing the truck go as low as it could go was the scariest thing ever. I'll show you guys when we get back to the ranch, but I hope we make it okay. I'm about halfway there. Oh, I left the air conditioner on. Okay guys, we made it. Oh my gosh. By the grace of God, we made it. Look at the truck, guys. Oh my gosh, it's not supposed to look like that. So now I have to unload this. I'm just gonna leave it here next to the camper. But oh my gosh, we made it, guys. Hallelujah. Oh, my legs are giving out on me because I'm about to pass out. So I'm gonna get set up and get everything out. Well guys, there we go. We got all the compost, manure stuff. I don't even know what time it is. I need to go get the tiller. I wanted to get a BCS America tractor, which is, it's a two-wheel tractor, okay? And you can attach different attachments onto it, and it just helps out. It's a smaller tractor for small gardens, like market gardens. I wanted to buy that. We were gonna buy the cheapest one. Talking to one of my friends, I decided I want to go for a bigger one so that we can use it more later on. Might as well, if you're gonna purchase it, you might as well go with the bigger one that you're gonna use more later instead of having to buy another one later. So we're gonna wait a little while to buy that. We're looking at getting a BCS tractor, the 749. That's what I want to get. But for now, I'm gonna go buy a tiller, well, rent a tiller, either from Home Depot or United Rentals. If I get it from United Rentals, they're closed on the weekend, so I can rent it right now and use it till Monday, and it counts as one day. So I think that's what I'm gonna go do. I just gotta get out there. But I didn't plan out that the compost is gonna take so long. So that's the plan. I gotta get out there and do that. Yeah. Dang it, I forgot gas. What do I do? Dang it, Jared. What up, peeps? I'm driving back to the land. I got the tiller in the back. And I also got a ramp right here next to me so I can load it off of the truck with it. Oh my, what a day, y'all. I gotta do some tilling today. I gotta do something. What I want to do is I want to till first, break up the ground, put compost down where my garden's gonna be, till it again, and then hopefully I'm done. I have this thing for the whole weekend, but it's supposed to rain, I believe, on Saturday. I don't know about Sunday, but I have until Monday at 9 in the morning, so I'm just gonna try to get as much done as I can. Gonna take the tiller off of the truck. We're gonna try to get some work done. See what happens. Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's about 7:30, which isn't even that early, but I've been sleeping in a lot, so I'm not used to it. But I gotta start tilling again, mix in some compost today before it rains, so I can settle and everything. So I was doing a time lapse yesterday and I guess it cut out, the battery died. So I ended up doing about a 60 foot by 20 foot bed. I just kind of eyeballed it and that's what I came out with. Okay guys, so we just finished the first row, the first bed. You know, it's not perfect or anything, but it took us about 9 bags to do 50 feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the next row. I calculated, we got 55 bags. So we could probably do about 6 rows. But we're gonna see how much we can fit here. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we got 2 beds down now. Looks like we're probably gonna fit 5 beds in. My plan went out the window a long time ago. Back when I was planning a 75 foot by 50 foot garden. That ain't gonna happen here. At least not yet. So I'm gonna just set everything up now and then I'll plan everything out where we're gonna put seeds and stuff later. I just got to get composting. I got to get all the compost down and till it into the ground before it starts raining. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit here and now. Here and now, here and then, now and then. But yeah, so that's the plan. Okay guys, oh damn, there goes my back. I'm almost done. I'm gonna be able to fit 5 rows in. And then that's only 50 foot beds. I tilled 60 feet long. Something in the last 10 feet. Maybe I could do different vine stuff, like maybe I'll stick cucumbers back there or something. I don't know. Tomatoes. We'll see. But this is where we're at right now. I'm just gonna finish up this last row, and then I gotta get tilling before it starts raining. It's starting to come down a little bit at a time, so here we go. Almost there, guys. Hey guys, so the rain has gone away. I just came out here to check on how the beds look. They look pretty good. I don't see any major puddle waters like over here. Puddle waters? Puddles, I guess. That was what I meant to say. Yeah, for the most part, it looks good. Guys, it is so beautiful out here. I am loving it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I've been cooped up in the RV all day. Except for the morning. But I decided, since it's so beautiful right now, I'm gonna go on a little walk of the property. Take you guys with me. Show you some of the parts that we haven't really shown. I guess we kind of have, but we're gonna go on a little walk. Gotta love the clay. Sticks to your boots like nothing. Whoa. Oh yeah, there is some water. Let's see. Whoa, bird. This is our creek. It's most of the time it's a dry creek. Whenever it rains, of course, it fills up. Goes down to the lake. Looks like it got more. There's been water in it the past couple weeks because it rained a lot lately. So it added some more water. But it'll get a lot higher as it rains more. Also, I forgot to mention, I purchased a Premier One electric netting fence. It's for poultry, but I went ahead and bought that for the garden to keep the dogs out because they have been following me around and laying in the garden and stuff. So that'll keep them out and keep any other critters out from our food. Cool. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave it there for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and all that good stuff. But just thank you for watching. Take care, and God bless.